Good morning, students. We are doing chapter number 8, Geometry. In the previous online class, we have done circle and its different parts. Now, we have learnt that what is radius, what is diameter, what is center, what is chord, right? Now, today we will learn how to find the radius if the diameter is given of the circle and how to find the diameter if radius is given of a circle. So, first we will learn how to find the radius of a circle. How to find radius of a circle. This is a circle, right? And it has a center. This is the center point. A line segment drawn from the center to any point on the circle. A line segment drawn from the center to any point on the circle, that is called the radius. This is called the radius. OA is the radius, right? Now, we have also learnt that this is a circle and it has a center, right? It has a center. Now, a line segment passing through the center with both the points on the circle. A line segment which passes through the center. This line segment is passing through the center and at both the points P and Q are on the circle. So, this is called the diameter. What it is called? Diameter. This means the radius is half of the diameter. From the center, the line is on P and Q, right? It is dividing the circle into two halves, right? So, radius is the half of diameter. It is half of diameter. So, what is the formula to find the radius? How to diameter equals to 2 multiply radius. If radius is given and we have to find the diameter, what we have to do? We have to multiply by 2. The formula is 2 multiply by radius. Suppose the radius is given 3 centimeter. Radius is given, for example, radius is given 3 centimeter. So, what will be the diameter? What is the formula of diameter to find the diameter? Diameter is equal to 2 multiply radius. Right? We have to find the diameter. So, how much is the radius given? 3 centimeters. So, we will multiply 2 by 3 and what will get the diameter? 6 centimeter. 2 3s are 6. So, when we have to find the diameter and the radius is given, we will multiply radius by 2 because diameter is double of radius. So, we will multiply 3 by 2 and we will get 6 centimeter. So, what will be the diameter? 6 centimeter. Clear? Now, if we have to find the radius, if we have to find the radius and diameter is given, then what we have to do? We have to divide the diameter by 2. What is the formula? Divide diameter divided by 2. We will divide diameter by 2. Suppose, for example, diameter is given 8 centimeter. Diameter of a circle is 8 centimeter. So what is the formula to find the radius? Radius is equal to diameter divided by 2. Right? So we have to divide 8 centimeter by 2. All of you know how to divide? If we divide 8 by 2, in 2 table 8 comes how many times? 4 times. 2 4s are 8 minus 0 across. So what will be the radius of a circle? 4 centimeter. What is the radius? The quotient will be the radius of the circle, 4 centimeter. So when we have to find the radius, we have to divide the diameter by 2, and when we have to find the diameter, we have to multiply the radius by 2. Is it clear? Because radius is half of the diameter and diameter is double of the radius. Clear? Now we'll do the exercise. Question Question 6. Find the diameter of a circle whose radius are A, 2 centimeter, B, 4 centimeter, C, 10 centimeter. The radius is given and we have to find the diameter. So how to find the diameter if the radius is 2 centimeter? What is the formula? Radius is given and we have to find the diameter. So diameter is equal to 2 multiplied by radius. Right? What is the radius given? 2 only. So 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to how much? 4 centimeter. So what will be the answer or the diameter of the first radius? 4 centimeter. Clear? Another question. If the radius is 4 centimeter, what will be the diameter? Diameter is equal to, what is the formula? 2 multiplied by radius. Right? So what is the radius given here? 4 centimeter. So we'll multiply 2 by 4. And how much diameter we'll get? 2 4s are 8. So what will be the diameter? 8 centimeter. Clear? Next C part is the radius is 10 centimeter. So what will be the diameter? Formula of diameter is? Diameter is, what is the formula? 2 multiplied by radius. Right? So what is the radius given? 10 centimeter. So 2 multiplied by 10 is equal to how much diameter? 2 tens are 20. So the diameter will be 20 centimeter. Clear? So when radius is given and we have to find the diameter, we have to multiply the radius by 2. 2 multiplied by radius. This is the formula and we'll get the diameter. Clear? Next. Question number 7. Question 7. Find the radius of a circle whose diameter are A. If the diameter is 12 centimeter. B. If the diameter is 18 centimeter. If the diameter is 14 centimeter. Right? Here you have to find the radius and the diameter is given. So what is the formula to find the radius? Radius is equal to, what is the formula? Radius is equal to diameter divided by 2. Diameter divided by 2. We have to divide the diameter by 2. What is the diameter given? 12 divided by 2. So if we divide 12 by 2, in 2 table 12 comes how many times? 6 times. So 2 6 are 12 minus 0 0. So what is the answer? 6. So the radius of the circle is 6 centimeter when the diameter is 12. Next question, if the diameter is 18, what will be the radius? So formula is radius is equal to radius equals to diameter divided by 2. Right? So how much diameter is given? 18. So we'll divide 18 by 2. In 2 table 18 comes or not? Yes. How many times? 9 times. So what will be the radius of a circle? 9 centimeter when the diameter is 18. Next, C question. The diameter is 14 centimeter. So we have to find the radius. How much will be the radius? So formula is radius equals to diameter divided by 2. Right? So how much is the diameter given? 14. 14 divided by 2. In 2 table 14 comes how many times? 7 times. Very good. So 7 centimeter. What will be the radius? If the diameter is 14 centimeter, the radius will be 7 centimeter. Clear? I hope all of you are clear with how to find the radius and how to find the diameter of a circle. Thank you and have a nice day.